the Energy Trilemma. So what is it, and how can model-based design and simulation help to solve this trilemma, and why is it so important? Jens Dietrich, he heads the development of control platforms in the current transmission systems at Siemens Energy, and he will share his experience. Welcome, Jens.
Hi, happy to be here today.
So, a carbon neutral economy. This is high on the company's agenda, on the politicians' agenda, and solving the energy trilemma is a very important topic in this. Now, can you help us explain what the energy trilemma is and what makes it a especially challenging and urgent issue?
Yeah, of course. So when we talk about energy trilemma, probably I have to start with the energy transition first. So we have this great global endeavor to become carbon dioxide neutral for energy production and consumption. And this is huge, but actually we have to solve three problems at once. So the first one really is about energy security, right? So if we have to reinvent how we produce energy, it has to be still security and reliable in the future. And the second problem we then have to solve is about the energy equity, right? So if we can produce energy, can we still afford it at the end, or is it for the privileged few? And then the most important question probably is about energy sustainability. If we can fulfill two of them, but we can't reduce the carbon dioxide emissions, it's not really an energy transition. So really, the energy trilemma is about solving three problems at once.
And why is it so important?
It is so important because at the end, if we can't reach that goal, right? So if we can't solve the three problems at once, there will be not enough carbon dioxide reduction to limit global warming to a certain limit. And at the moment, we are aiming for 1.5 degrees. And then probably we end up with 1.7 or 2.0 degrees Celsius, which is devastating for a few countries already.
Very clear. And Siemens is supporting a global energy transition. Can you explain how and what is the crucial role of this systematic software development and also of model-based design?
So at Siemens Energy, we see certain fields of action to support that endeavor. And of course, first one, more renewable energies, more wind energy. Then, of course, as well as updating our existing infrastructure, so refitting gas turbines, making them future-proof and hydrogen-ready. And last but not least, really strengthen the electrical grid. So today we had an announcement that really for the energy transition, we have to have a backbone of an electrical grid to support that. And if you talk about modern electrical grids, you talk about software development. And those software development becomes more and more complex. And in order to keep up with that requirements, we have to really think about model-based design in terms of small software functions we can put together to achieve something bigger. And model-based design helps us as engineers to start from very small building blocks and really end up with huge energy systems at the end.
So if I look from a broader perspective and all the developments that are there in the market, the metaverse is further evolving, and there also the digital twins become an efficient approach to reduce all the design cycles. So can you explain how the use of digital twins helps in fault scenario analysis, but also in system validation?
Yes. So digital twins is a term often used, right? So everybody has a digital twin nowadays. For us, really, the digital twin is our physical system, meaning the electrical part, together with our original controls made with model-based design, right? And it helps us to understand our system and to test it early on because we have the original thing at our hands, at our PCs, at our local laptops. And also at fault scenarios, we can validate what we see on the real plant with the digital twin and really try to reproduce these error scenarios early on without actually destroying or putting any expensive equipment at risk.
Yeah, which makes it a very interesting approach. And you're going to talk about this approach at MATLAB Expo. Can you share some of the highlights already and how people can join?
Okay, yeah, of course. So I'll be talking about the energy trilemma, how to solve it, and what Siemens Energy tries to do to solve it, together with model-based design, how we as a team at Siemens Energy incorporated latest software development techniques together with model-based design to really push forward control developments. And if you go to matlabexpo.com and register for the event, you can learn everything about it.
Jens, I'm really looking forward to your keynote at MATLAB Expo. I can't wait to see it. Thank you for your insight in how to solve the energy trilemma challenges and to create a carbon neutral economy. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you next time.